Can you spot the right road sign from a batch of lookalikes without second-guessing yourself? In this challenge, we'll run through 40 signs every driver should recognize instantly. Whether you're studying for your theory test or brushing up on the basics, this is the perfect way to stay road ready. Count your correct answers and post your score in the comments. Let's see how sharp your sign spotting skills are. Question 1. What sign is the yield or give way ahead sign? The answer is D. Question 2. What sign is the stop sign? The answer is B. Question 3. What sign is the no entry for vehicular traffic sign? The answer is A. Question 4. What sign is the no overtaking sign? The answer is C. Question 5. What sign is the traffic signals ahead? The answer is A. Question 6. What sign is the crossroads sign? The answer is C. Question 7. What sign is the T-junction sign? The answer is B. Question 8. What sign is the side road sign? The answer is A. Question 9. What sign is the staggered junction sign? The answer is C. Question 10. What sign is the traffic merges from the left sign? The answer is A. Question 11. What sign is the part-time traffic signals ahead sign? The answer is C. Question 12. What sign is the traffic merges onto the main carriageway sign? The answer is A. Question 13. What sign is the roundabout sign? The answer is D. Question 14. What sign is the bend to right sign? The answer is A. Question 15. What sign is the double bend first to the left sign? The answer is B. Question 16. What sign is the junction on a bend sign? The answer is A. Question 17. What sign is the route to the left sign? The answer is C. Question 18. What sign is the road narrows on both sides sign? The answer is A. Question 19. What sign is the road narrows on the right sign? The answer is B. Question 20. What sign is the end of dual carriageway sign? The answer is A. Question 21. What sign is the two-way traffic sign? The answer is B. Question 22. What sign is the two-way traffic on route crossing ahead? The answer is D. Question 23. What sign is the worded warning sign? The answer is A. Question 24. What sign is the try brakes after crossing a Ford sign? The answer is C. Question 25. What sign is the steep descent sign? The answer is B. Question 26. What sign is the steep ascent sign? The answer is A. Question 27. What sign is the opening or swing bridge sign? The answer is B. Question 28. What sign is the riverbank or quayside sign? The answer is A. Question 29. What sign is the watercourse alongside road sign? The answer is C. Question 30. What sign is the soft verges sign? The answer is A. Question 31. What sign is the tunnel sign? The answer is D. Question 32. What sign is the hump bridge sign? The answer is A. Question 33. What sign is the uneven road sign? The answer is B. Question 34. What sign is the slippery road sign? The answer is C. Question 35. What sign is the side wind sign? The answer is B. Question 36. What sign is the low-flying aircraft sign? The answer is D. Question 37. What sign is the low-flying helicopter's sign? The answer is A. Question 38. What sign is the falling or fallen rocks sign? The answer is B. Question 39. What sign is the traffic queues likely ahead? The answer is A. Question 40. What sign is the congestion sign? The answer is B. And that's the end of this 40-sign challenge. Great work! Familiar signs are easy to overlook, but knowing them well is what keeps roads safe and drivers confident. Keep reviewing and let that quick recognition become second nature. If you enjoyed this session, give it a like, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're set for the next round. Stay focused and see you soon.